So here we are in your little factory.
Yeah, we're making drums. So for everybody that wants to make a drum, this is how you do it.
That's right.
Yeah, this is the frame.
Yeah.
Just 4 pieces of wood, nailed and glued together.
So it's very simple, isn't it? You just staple them together.
Very simple. Just pine wood. It's called fairing strips.
Yeah, fairing strips. Simple is good.
Absolutely. Strong. It'll last many, many, many years.
So now you're going to draw a design on there, right?
Yes, now you can use your creativity. With this, you can use magic markers. This is a really fast and easy way to do it. Magic markers, or if you like, you can use paint, crayons. So you want to color the surface. Yes, you know this whole drum is geometric.
Of course.
We're using the square. In Africa, they use an animal skin to cover the drum, but we're going to use a very modern material.
So the design could be very, very loose. It doesn't have to be tight.
It doesn't have to be tight. It can be as tight as you like to make it.
Right. Or as loose.
Or as loose.
Or as organic or whatever.
Lines and colors also have significance, especially within the African tradition.
But obviously this could be applied to any system, Native American system, any symbolic system.
Absolutely. The more you get in touch with other indigenous peoples, cultures from around the planet Earth, even though the languages are different, the meanings are the same.
Yeah. The heart is the heart, huh?
The heart is the heart.
And the heart rhythm keeps coming up all over the place, doesn't it?
Yes, it does. It's amazing that drums are instruments that are played by all peoples, no matter where you are on the planet. Everybody has some type of a drum that they play. So what we're doing is we're creating patterns.
Repeating patterns like drums.
That's right.
Rhythms.
It's a rhythm. We're repeating this rhythm.
That's another consistency with sacred geometry. Repeating rhythms, repeating patterns.
Absolutely. This is it's a frequency.
So anybody can do this.
Anybody can do it.
This is so simple that anybody can do this.
Kindergartners can do this, as well as senior citizens.
So another bridge maker, huh? The drum is a bridge maker.
Absolutely. That was a phrase that one of my teachers, Chief Vay, used.
Is that right?
Yes. He always told us that the drum is a bridge.
So one of the beautiful things about this is you could have probably under $10 in this completely.
Oh, without a doubt.
So anybody could make one of these things.
Anybody can make one of these. This is clear plastic packaging tape. You can buy it at any hardware store or office supply store. And we will apply this tape to the drum frame to make the surface of the drum that will resonate and create the sound of the drum.
All right, let's do that.
Pick it up, turn it over. Keep repeating this pattern. Pull it tight until I get to the end on the opposite edge of the drum. So now we have the first layer, and we're going to do something very special now. We're going to use another piece of artwork that we have created that is based in sacred geometry.
Oh yeah. That's sacred geometry for sure. So you're going to color that, huh?
So now we're going to color this.
And that's transparent.
It's transparent, and we're going to color it, and then we'll cut the design out and place it on top of this drum surface.
Wow. Cool idea. Okay. So again, this is just like coloring. Kids do this, and from the time they're babies, like a coloring book, huh?
Absolutely. This is a very relaxing.
Wow, this is meditative in itself. That's always my experience. I get extremely high making mandalas based on the archetypes of sacred geometry. Opens up a doorway, just like drumming does. So are you going to do double-sided tape?
I've taken a piece of tape and folded it back on itself. And I'm just going to use that, put it right here, to hold this in place so it won't move. And I'll start on the right-hand side, because I'm right-handed. I'll start on the right side, lift it up.
And you're not pulling it tight yet.
I'm not putting any tension on it yet.
But now you're going to start.
Now, I've locked it in place. Now I'm going to start putting tension on the tape. Okay, now.
That's it?
That's it.
Wow.
Now I'm going to give you the rhythms that you need to know in order to earn your stick. Rhythm number one. Rhythm number one is one repeating itself. It is the pulse. Rhythm number two has two beats. It sounds like this. Rhythm number three has three beats, and it sounds like this. Rhythm number four has four beats, and it sounds like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, open, open. Open, open, open. Bump it up, and stop. Now that you know those four rhythms, you have earned your stick.
Okay.
It's a lot of fun to get together in a big circle with a lot of drummers, many of whom have different types of drums from places all over the world, from different peoples, different cultures, different races. But everybody gets together in a circle, a unity circle, and plays together. It just shuts down that part in your mind that talks and analyzes and criticizes and judges and has all kinds of thoughts about the past and the future. This drumming in the circle helps you to just be in the now, in the moment of now. And in that moment of now, that's where you feel the presence of the heartbeat. And that presence of the heart, and the rhythm of the heart, the beat of the heart, it connects with the universal rhythm of all the people in the circle. And then that resonates with the heartbeat of humanity.